This is the back of the pelvis here and the spine, and this is the femur bone, and we have a bunch of muscles that attach to the femur at this part called the greater trochanter. These muscles, when they get tight, they will pull on their attachment point and cause irritation. And this can lead to bursitis and issues around the outside of your hip, the outside of your leg. The reason that these muscles get tight is because there's tension in the front of the hip. So the iliacus and the psoas muscle, when they're holding tension, it pulls forward on the pelvis, and that pull forward causes a tug of war action where these guys decide to get tight. So to resolve this and to help with this issue here, you need to relax and release the tension that's in the front.